Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infiniti of Nashua. Today we have our 2016 Infiniti Q50 Red Sport. This one only has 42,000 miles on it. And I mean, this thing is absolutely fully loaded. Every option you could add to one of these, this car has. You can see the maple wood trim. Do have the original sticker here. Base price of $49,950. This one's $60,585. Iridium blue over graphite. 3-liter V6, obviously 400 horsepower, 350 pound-feet of torque. Magnesium shift paddles. So somebody commented on one of my Red Sport reviews and said these are magnesium. Good catch. I did not know that until I just read that. Good catch, guys. Alright, let's go through some of the options. Tech pack. You have direct adaptive steering pack, the maple wood trim pack, driver assistance pack, premium plus pack, the rear Decklid spoiler, illuminated kick plates, interior accent lighting, splash guards, all-weather pack, and cargo pack. This thing is what we say stuffed. Everything you could add to this, it has. Backup 360 camera. Let's go for a drive. So the previous owner of this car reached out to us and said, hey, I have this thing for sale. Actually, no, I'm sorry. Our BDC department, our online communications, everybody who answers the phones, those people, which they're awesome. Thank you, guys. They saw a Facebook Marketplace listing for this car, told me about it, told our management, and said, do we want this car? And we said, yes, we do. So I went over, appraised the car, and we bought it. So in a roundabout way, I bought this car, but it wasn't my money. That's how I look at. That's how I kind of look at my job, as if these are my cars, and I'm buying them. Would I spend my money for that car? What number would I buy it for? That's how I look at everything. And I saw this, and I was like, yeah, this is a clean car. This is a very clean car. 42,000 miles on a 2016. That's pretty good. Normally these were very, very high mileage, or they're beat up. This one was clean. And we were like, yeah, we want it. After a little bit of negotiating, we had it. It was awesome. Oh, okay. I mean, obviously I've driven these before. I took a Red Sport home for the night, a Q60 and a Q50 last week. Yeah, they're fun cars. They're really, really fun cars. love these things. These are awesome cars. And they're quick, man. And simple mods, you can be pushing 500 to the wheels easy. I will say, these are some of the best paddle shifters under $100,000 in a car under $100,000. They're column mounted. They remind me of oh gosh, what car did I drive that were column mounted like this? I think the 458 are like this, where they're column mounted. They never move, and they feel this good too. That these turbos spool up so quick. I think they are smaller turbos. I don't know the exact dimensions. I don't know how many millimeter or whatever they are, but they spool very quick. There's no like waiting around for boost to load. No, it's there. It's always there. For example, 2,500 RPM. Okay, sometimes it's a little delay, but there's enough torque without the turbos on boost that it doesn't matter. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.